Are you looking for the best over-ear headphones? In this video, we will look at some of the top over-ear headphones on the market. At number 1, we have the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 over-ear headphones. Everyone knows about Bose and the innovations they have made in audio, and the Quiet Comfort 35-2 keeps their high standards while looking great in an all-black, silver, or rose gold finish. Bose has installed 3 different levels of noise-canceling technology to offer an amazing quality of sound regardless of your surroundings. The Quiet Comfort 35-2 is completely wireless with Bluetooth technology and is also Alexa-enabled. This is going to give you voice control of all your audio needs. There is a dual microphone built in that has noise rejection features to keep your voice clearer than standard mics. With the right firmware, you even have the ability to be part of their augmented reality program, which is a brand new type of audio experience. The headphones are fully compatible with all Android and iOS devices, and you really won't find a better set on the market. At number 2, we have the Sony WH-1000 XM3 over-ear headphones. Sony has gone for a minimalist look mashed with a bit of the future. These headphones are very sleek and nondescript in solid black or silver. The WH-1000 XM3 headphones are wireless with a very long-lasting battery life of roughly 30 hours. They are both Bluetooth and Alexa compatible, so you can pair with your smart devices and control the set with just your voice. They are ergonomic in their design and have extra padding in the right places, and they fold up for easy storage. Sony has included a great new feature on this model, and it gives you the ability to turn down the volume by simply covering the right ear. If that wasn't enough, they have smart listening technology that will consistently adjust the ambient sound to have near-perfect noise cancellation. At number 3, we have the Sennheiser HD 599 SE over-ear headphones. These stylish and powerful headphones from Sennheiser are available in either black or ivory color patterns, and both have chrome accents. The HD 599 SE over-ear headphones are truly meant for a full audio experience and have a frequency response range of 12 to 38,500 Hz. This type of range is going to ensure you are hearing everything. Sennheiser has also included its patented 38mm transducers, which have proven to give amazing sound quality at any volume. As they are placed on an angle, the audio has a more natural path into your ear. Comfort is essential for a set of over-ear headphones, and the HD 599 SE ensures you can wear them all day without any issues. With a company like Sennheiser behind the design of these headphones, you can be guaranteed that you'll be making a quality purchase. At number 4, we have the Audio-Technica ATH M30X over-ear headphones. The ATH M30X from Audio-Technica has a very sleek design in all black with white for the logos. These over-ear headphones have been engineered to produce the best possible sound quality and clarity. The drivers measure 40mm and are equipped with copper-clad aluminum wire and rare earth magnets. Comfort is a major part of this design, and they have added extra padding to the ear cups to ensure a better fit. This padding is constructed to put minimal pressure on your ears so you can wear them for extended periods of time with no problems. Audio-Technica has also spent some time looking at convenience as a selling point, as the cord is placed on the outside of the ear cup. This helps prevent tangling and the cord generally getting in the way. For a mid-range price, the ATH M30X is going to be a smart decision. At number 5, we have the COWIN E7 over-ear headphones. COWIN has gone for a very bold look with the E7 headphones. They look large and in charge, and are available in 6 color choices. These headphones have built-in noise-canceling technology that will ensure that the only thing you hear is your music and entertainment. That music and entertainment are going to sound amazing with extra-large 40mm drivers that will pump out major volume and clarity. The E7 over-ear headphones can be used both wired and wirelessly depending on your current needs. It has a microphone and NFC technology that is going to seamlessly connect your smart devices. You will never need to worry about running out of music on an extended trip, as you can get upwards of 30 hours out of a single charge of the battery. COWIN also guarantees your purchase with an 18-month manufacturer's warranty. At number 6, we have the iJoy over-ear headphones. These over-ear headphones from iJoy have a unique style and matte finish that are available in 8 different colors. You're going to get high-quality sound clarity along with very rich bass tones that you wouldn't expect in this price range. The iJoy over-ear headphones are wireless to provide a comfort and tangle-free listening experience. You can control your music with an easy-to-use 5-button setup on the side of the ear cup. These earphones are designed to be ultra-portable, as they will fold and collapse for storage just about anywhere. With a microphone, radio receiver, and micro SD slot, these headphones have all the features that much more expensive ones offer. You will always be able to have your music playing with long battery life and Bluetooth 4.1 running the stream. At number 7, we have the Panasonic RP-HT161K over-ear headphones. Panasonic is a trusted brand in electronics, and they offer a classic-looking pair of black over-ear headphones with the RP-HT161K. The drivers measure 30 millimeters and are made from neodymium to ensure you have amazing audio quality with up to 1,000 megawatts of input. For an even more true-to-life audio experience, these over-ear headphones have an amazing frequency range of 10 to 27,000 Hz. These Panasonic headphones are designed to make sure you stay comfortable for longer. You get heavy-duty padding on the ear cups and a headband with a unique design to stay on your head easier. This is a wired pair of over-ear headphones that use the traditional Y shape. Panasonic made sure you have some room to move with a 6.5-foot cord that you can connect to many different audio outputs. At number 8, we have the MPOW 059 over-ear headphones. If you're in the market for a pair of headphones that look just a bit different than the rest, look no further than the MPOW 059. They are available in 8 different glossy color choices. The MPOW 059 over-ear headphones offer amazing sound for a wireless system under $40. This is thanks to the 40mm neodymium driver that they have paired with a CSR chip. This pair of headphones also includes noise-isolating technology along with specially designed ear cups to give you a feeling like it is just you and your music. You have the choice to use them with or without a wire, and you will get up to 20 hours of use when there is no wire connected. If you are pressed for time, the battery can be charged for 10 minutes and give you up to 2 hours of playtime. At number 9, we have the Letscom H10 over-ear headphones. These over-ear headphones come in 2 different colors, black or silver, and have a minimalist design scheme. For anyone who is looking to get impressive bass, even at high volumes, this may be the headphones for you. They have extra large 40mm drivers with an added deep bass function that will ensure you can hear and feel it all. This offering from Letscom has some of the most amazing battery life for a set of wireless headphones. On a single charge, you can get upwards of 100 hours of music before needing to plug them in again. The H10 over-ear headphones may be at a low price, but that does not mean they are of low quality. You even get a built-in microphone so you can take calls regardless of what you're juggling. The Letscom H10 is going to be a great buy and give you an amazing audio experience. At number 10, we have the Anker Soundcore Life Q20 over-ear headphones. Anker is a well-known player in the audio field, so it's no wonder they've put out a brilliant-looking pair of headphones available in black and silver. These mid-range over-ear headphones have gotten the high-res audio certification thanks to the large dynamic driver that measure a whopping 40 millimeters. The noise-canceling technology is capable of blocking roughly 90% of ambient noise, which will ensure you hear only your music. With the Life Q20 headphones, you can get anywhere from 40 to 60 hours on a single battery charge, depending on if you choose to enable the noise-canceling features. For anyone who really wants to feel their music, there is a bass up feature that will immediately double the bass by double tapping the play button. These over-ear headphones from Anker Soundcore will give you years of musical entertainment at a very reasonable price. So that sums up the top over-ear headphones. We hope you enjoyed.